Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure blogging opportunities with WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by determining your blogging niche. Research potential topics related to your interest and expertise. Select a memorable and relevant blog name. Visit wordpress.com or wordpress.org to set up your blog. If using wordpress.org, purchase a domain and choose a hosting provider. Install WordPress on your chosen hosting service. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Choose a suitable theme that complements your content style. Customize your theme to make it unique to your brand. Create essential pages such as About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Start writing engaging and high-quality blog posts. Use SEO best practices to optimize your posts for search engines. Incorporate keywords strategically but naturally within your content. Add images and multimedia to enhance reader engagement. Utilize relevant tags and categories for better organization. Promote your blog on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Join blogging communities and forums to network with other bloggers. Reach out to brands and businesses for guest blogging opportunities. Create media kits showcasing your work and audience demographics. Pitch potential blogging collaborations with personalized emails. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Monitor your blog's performance using Google Analytics. Adjust your strategies based on audience feedback and analytics data. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your content fresh and relevant. Continue to refine your writing skills and expand your knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.